MTD's travelled to Hanover this week, where we're going to visit Eurobleck on behalf of Mazak. I know they've got some world premiers inside and I can't wait to learn more.
MTD CNC, bringing you the latest engineering news via video media.
Gaetano, this is the world premiere of the Optiplex with DDL technology.
Yes.
What is DDL technology?
DDL technology is a direct diode lasers, so means with the diode element which generates the laser beam, we can go directly to the focalization, so to the cutting head and then to the material. So we do not have any element in between, like a fiber cable, to generate the correct laser beam. So in terms of result, we have a higher efficiency and higher energy on the material, which generate higher cutting speed.
So it's quicker and it uses less electricity, is this correct?
Less running cost and faster, around 15% faster.
So on both, 15% faster and 15% more efficient?
10% more efficient.
Okay, and I understand the surface finish is far greater than the fiber machine as well.
Yes.
Is this correct?
Yes, also it's very important is the cutting surface with direct diode laser, let's say, less roughness compared with the fiber.
And I know this is 3015, so 3 meters by 1.5 meters. Are you going to add to the range?
Yes, we exhibit for the first time the 3 meter by 1.5, and soon also the 4020 4 meter by 2 will come in the market within 2017.
So I know this machine takes 3 meters by 1.5, but what materials and how thick?
So we can handle 3 meter by 1.5 as a maximum sheet size, and in terms of thickness is up to 25 millimeter.
And what materials?
Mainly it's mild steel, stainless. Then direct diode laser also very much suitable for high reflecting material like aluminium, copper, and brass. Actually, direct diode laser has the highest absorption by high reflecting material. So we have a very good result in aluminium, copper, and brass.
So it's efficient and it's very user friendly and it's also universal.
Let's say when we talk about technical more in details, the wavelength of direct diode laser is smaller than CO2, smaller than fiber, and when the wavelength is smaller, you have a better penetration on the material. Material can better absorb laser energy, and the direct diode wavelength is less than 1 micron.
And I notice it appears to be a new control.
Of course, yes, we have a new Preview G control, totally new platform. Based on Industry 4.0, we can communicate with all machines. We have an interesting menu, output data, and very ergonomics device. Similar control we use already since 1 year on a machine tool, and now we have developed for laser. In this control, hardware and software made by Mazak, so we can say entire technology is Mazak. Laser resonator, machine mechanically, and controller.
In terms of programming, is it more easy to program than your previous control?
Well, basically, the laser machine are programmed by using CAD/CAM. So we program offline with the CAD/CAM, and then we send program. So there is not so big change with the previous control in terms of programming. The difference is axis movement, acceleration, better menu, more friendly use. That's the main purpose.
And I know this is quicker. We talk a lot about speed and removal rates. But how quick is it, the acceleration?
Yes, we have a great acceleration on the Optiplex DDL. It's 1.8 G acceleration.
And this one's 4 kilowatt?
It's 4 kilowatt, and maybe we will have a higher power in the near future.
So just to conclude to our viewers, why should they buy this machine?
Well, I think customers looking for new technology, better cutting surface, and higher speed, I think is a very good machine. So 15% cutting speed higher than other technology is, I think, very good result.
direct diode laser technology. Does anybody else offer this solution?
As far as I know, at the moment for laser cutting, no others offer this solution. There is direct diode laser for different applications like welding or other applications, but for cutting on a standard product, only Mazak offer at the moment.
And you can link this in with your Mazak automation systems?
Of course, we have a Mazak automation system. We have a full range of automation from simple load and load to FMS system. And here at the Euroblack, we are presenting new automation system, compact automation system called Quick Cell.